This is example E of our properties lesson. So we want to be able to again look at our graphs and based on using our skills, be able to figure out where do we have our maximum point or minimum points, why is it a maximum, why is it minimum, where is our vertex, where are the zeros of the function, where's the y-intercept at. So the first thing again that we're looking at is the fact that it's a negative x squared function. So a negative x squared function is going to tell us that our function's opening down, we have a maximum value. So again, maximum on your calculator. We want to find this point. So again, when you guess to the left side and then guess to the right side and guess in between, you should find that your x value on this blinking point is going to be x equals -3, and the y value, according to your calculator, should be y equals 0.5. So -3 was 0.5 then is an important point to us. It tells us we have a maximum value of 0.5. Again, we start talking about domain and range. We're talking about all the y values starting from 0.5 and going down to -infinity. The way you tell people that is you say all the y values are less than and equal to, not -0.5, but all the y values are less than and equal to 0.5. Looking at the intercepts again, a key thing for us mathematically, where are we crossing the x and y axis at? Zeros of the function. Again, I found my points with algebra, or I should say with factoring. So when I did my factors, I got a point of -4 and 0, and I got a point at -2 and 0 are my two zeros. And then algebraically, I'm going to put 0 in for the x. Again, if I don't go left or right on my graph, I get a point at 0 minus 4. Same as the other examples, it's important to see that when I graph my function, that these points that we're finding are points on the curve. To wrap this question up then, if we want to talk about the vertex is the point that has the x and y values where we were blinking, -3 and 0.5. We could have used a fraction. -3 with 1/2 would have made me happier, but because we're using a calculator, it's 0.5. Well, I'm okay with that for right now. Again, we're going to review how to do these algebraically at a later date. Axis of symmetry. Where is the line that completely cuts this graph in half? Again, it's a vertical line, so we talk about being an x equals line. Because it always goes through the vertex, the line is x equals -3. So again, that vertex is a hugely important point to us. It gives us either the maximum or minimum value of our function, and it tells us where our line of symmetry is, where the line of symmetry is as well.